getting the trailer hooked up, loaded, ready to go pick up our brand new lawnmower at Lowe's. So I thought we'd take you on the journey of going to get the new lawnmower. So everyone, join us for this journey to get our new lawnmower. We're hooking up the trailer to our Jeep and gonna go get the lawnmower and stuff. Getting a new ride mower and gotta unload the back here. Getting ready to throw that off at the dumpster. So anyway, just hooking up the Jeep and getting everything ready so we can get the yard mowed down and start getting some stuff done around the house that's much needed outside stuff. So everyone, welcome to our adventure today of going to get our new lawnmower, and we're going to be able to get the yard mowed and start getting some projects done around the house. So stay with us to go get this done. Honey, are you excited? He is excited, but busy right now, so he's paying attention to what he's doing, hooking up the Jeep. Yes, there's so many projects around the house I want to get took care of. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining so far. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying it. I welcome all friends out there. And I enjoy having new friends to join me for my home journey of getting things done around the house. Getting a bunch of outside stuff done. There's a lot of projects I want to do this year that we want to get accomplished. And hey, give this video a thumbs up and like it. And I want to be able to bring you on for the long haul and let all my new friends here come and join me for this journey. We got a lot of work around our mobile home to do, and especially a lot of outside projects and inside projects I want to get done. But of course, he ain't leaving me. He's just pulling up to unload the cardboard. Bye, Jeep. No, but there's a lot of inside stuff to be done that I want to get done as well. So we'll be working inside of outside of our mobile home. I have a 2001 16 by 80. It's showing wear. It's a Clayton mobile home, and 4-bedroom, 2-bath. And hey, I want y'all to come with me for this journey and just being able to do this and stuff. So I want everybody to come join me for this journey. And while we end up ventures at our mobile home of redoing it and cleaning videos and redoing the outside. So definitely join us, subscribe to the channel. That looks heavy.
Wet.
Oh, it's a wet cardboard. You made it. Almost. Ooh, it's stuck up there at the top there. I'll be careful. Don't get splinters off that one. Got a little wood attached still to it. There's a lot of projects we want to finish around home, isn't it? And get done. So stay tuned to watch other videos that we do here this summer in the near future. The bad thing is, if you notice the clouds too, kind of see up there, it's raining all the time here anymore. I don't know why here in South Central Kentucky that all we get is rain, it seems like. It seems like it never lets up. So, of course, that's hard to get a lot of outside stuff done when it's raining. And kind of gets challenging to do things outside and when it's so nasty and wet and got to work in between it. It seems like all the time anymore our weather is just nothing but rain. Looks like it's getting ready to come and rain here in the next little bit, but we're still going to do this video today because we're so excited about getting this new lawnmower. On our way to get our new mower. It is really hard to hear in here, so but this is what we're doing. Sorry if it's a little hard to hear me because our Jeep is loud. It's our tires. They're bigger, so it makes it a little noisier when you're in the vehicle and it's running. But we are so excited. We're on our way to go get the new lawnmower. So here we go, getting it. Yay! Getting our new mower loaded. And here it is. On the trailer and getting ready to go. Michael's just strapping it down. And getting ready to take home. So here we are going on our mowing adventure at the house. Fill the lawnmower up with gas before we take it home. So here at the gas pump. Already had a half tank of gas in it, so putting gas in the Jeep. Yeah, the rest of it.
The Jeep's always thirsty.
Yep. If you have a Jeep Wrangler, like he said, Jeep is always very thirsty. So, anyway, put $5 in the tank. Got it home and doing some mowing. thank you everyone for joining us with getting our new mower today. And check out my other videos. I'll be posting back more clean and motivation videos tomorrow. And thank you for watching, everybody. And y'all have a very blessed day. Thank you.